Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately. Sign in as an administrator and attach the external drive you'll use. Open Control Panel and go to Backup and Restore, then click Create a System Image on the left. Choose your destination. External HDD is fastest. DVDs are slow and require many disks. Network share needs credentials. Once done, Windows scans volumes to include. Make sure the system and boot partitions are selected. This step captures a full image of your OS, apps, and settings, so compression and space matter. Now you configure details, verify the system reserved, and see. Volumes are checked because they contain boot files and your OS. If you've got other data partitions to include, add them here. Note size estimates to ensure the destination fits. Choose to let Windows verify the backup when finished if you can spare extra time. It prevents silent failures. Click Start Backup and watch progress. Do not sleep the PC or unplug the drive. This is the critical execution phase, where an unbroken backup is produced. With the image complete, create a system repair disk or a Windows 7 recovery USB right away. You'll need this to boot and restore the image. Label and store the image and repair media separately to avoid simultaneous loss. Once done, test by booting repair media and browsing the backup location without performing a restore. If a restore fails later, make sure the target disk health and drivers are okay, verify the image integrity, and confirm BIOS/UEFI boot order. These fixes resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.